Want to do a little bit something during the festivities but do not want to wear a full face of makeup? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Nidhi Jain and you're watching the Trend Diaries, and today we'll be talking about real skin makeup and what you can do to get that effortless, simple makeup look during the festivities. So there you go, let's get started. Rene Lumi Glow moisturizer is what I started off with on my bare face. I just pumped a small amount and then massaged it all over my face. This was a new product that I was testing from the last 2 to 3 days, and I feel very good about this one. It is not too very scented like the Lakme Lumi cream, but it just does the work well without adding too much of shimmer flecks on the face, and so looks perfect. And then for my moisturizer, I'm loving this one from Rene again. It is one of the new launches. It's their everyday primer and it has a very gel like consistency. So if you do not want to wear a lot of makeup, make sure that आप बहुत सारा अच्छा स्किन केयर करो and skin prep करो, because when your skin is going to look good, automatically the makeup would turn out good. Without using too much of base products, I'm just using this concealer from Mars. It's their Cancel Concealer, another new launch in shade number 7, a perfect shade for my skin tone. I am MC40 and Maybelline में 310 shade है मेरा. So I just use a little amount of it underneath my eyes, around my mouth, जहाँ जहाँ मुझे pigmentation है. So if you do not have pigmentation, I would say वहाँ पर मत use करो. Very simple. If you have acne marks, तो सिर्फ वहाँ पे dot spot conceal जो करते हैं हम, उतना ही करो. So just apply concealer wherever required and gradually build it up, like thoda thoda laga ke you can build it up wherever required. And this concealer you honestly do not really need a lot because iska coverage bahut zyada acha hai. Still it is very very light on the skin and I love this fact, just like the Swiss Beauty concealer which I really really like. And ye kuch waisa hi hai. I really loved this one and how it was sitting on my face. It did not even oxidize and the shade was just perfect. And you can see I used the same Mars ka concealer buffing brush to buff it out, and oh my god, my skin looked filter with the least amount of product. In love with this concealer. You can also use my code Nidhi10 on Mars Cosmetics for additional discounts. And then I use this stack from Swiss Beauty, which is again one of my recent favorites. And I've also talked about these products in my Amazon haul. So अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा है, so ऊपर मैं छोड़ दूँगी. You can watch it there as well. I used the cream blush from the stack and applied it on my cheeks and blended it gently with my fingers. बहुत ज़्यादा rub नहीं करना. Make sure you are just patting, like stamp करो fingers so that you do not move the product. Okay, then using the powder, it's a loose powder from Mars Cosmetics, and excess जो है हाथ पे पहले dab करके smooth कर लिया puff पे, and then I applied it on my face. सीधा लेके अगर आप face पे लगा दोगे ना तो patches पे powder आ जाता है and at times you end up looking like a powdered donut. So अगर आपको वो नहीं करना है तो एक hack है, just remove the excess on the back of your hand and अच्छे से लोड कर लो आपके पफ को, एंड ओनली whatever is required उतना ही आपके स्किन पे देन ट्रांसफर होगा एंड एक स्मूथ फिनिश देगा. So that's a trick that you can use to set your face. And I'm already a dry skin type, so मैं ज़्यादा बेकिंग वगैरह नहीं करती हूँ. Just wherever required, concealer वाले places पे I set the concealer in place with the help of this loose powder. And once that was done, you see that is my face and it looks so smooth. I love this powder again. And from the same stack, highlighter के लिए I use the powder highlighter. बहुत कम amount. I do not really want to look like a glazed donut या ऐसा shiny disco ball नहीं बनना. I just wanted a very subtle skin like makeup, थोड़ा लगे जैसे थोड़े बहुत efforts डाले हैं but not too much of a baked makeup look. So बहुत कम product is the key over here. एकदम कम सब कुछ use करो. Eventually your makeup will turn out so good. And this highlighter again is very soft. I love the formula in this one. Very creamy and बिल्कुल ऐसा glittery chunky mess नहीं लग रहा था skin पे. Looked so effortless and smooth, and that is the reason why I really loved it. You can see it up close. That is my skin. How good it looks. So I love when my skin looks like skin even with wearing makeup. And then comes in the favorite part, my favorite lip tint from Etude House. It is the shade I'll mention in the description box. It's rose blending, by the way. So I just used it and applied it on my lips so that it tint reh jaye. So even if my lipstick fades away, ये टिंट रह जाएगा. एंड आई लव दिस लिप टिंट फ्रॉम एट्यूड हाउस, जस्ट माई एब्सोल्यूट favorite for everyday wear. And इसके बाद I went in for my eyeshadow look. So again I picked up a blending brush from Mars Cosmetics and used the eyeshadow which comes in the stack. So ये जो stack है Swiss Beauty का, it's very affordable, 250 to 300 के बीच में ये कुछ आता है. And you get like a blush मिलेगा, उसमें आई शेडो में लाइक क्रीम ब्लश है, आई शेडो है, 2 मेटालिक है, मैट है, and you also get a highlighter. So it's just perfect and versatile. So I use the soft pink shade all over my eyes. And उसके बाद I use this Baytown palette from Swiss Beauty, and उसमें से ये brown color लेके, like these are the very basic shades, आप कोई भी palette से आप ये use कर सकते हो. And I just applied it like a liner. So basically एक लाइनर के जैसे एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में ही मैं जा रही थी with the brown shade, so that एक अच्छा डेप्थ ऐड करे मेरे आईज को. आई ऑलरेडी हैव हुडेड आईज, ज़्यादा स्पेस नहीं है, so I like to use brown shades to add depth. And lower lash line पे भी I use the same brown shade, and then I diffused the brown shade with the help of the pink shadow that we used earlier. So shadow number 1 से again वो brown को हमने diffuse करके soften कर दिया edges, so that it looks like a good gradient from brown to pink, and that is how I like it. उसके बाद I curled my lashes using the Simply Nam lash curler, and then goes my favorite mascara, the Colossal waterproof mascara from Maybelline. I love this because the volume it gives to my lashes is surreal. And वही लेके मैंने ना मेरे eyebrows को भी brush कर दिया. You can obviously use a brow gel or do your brows if you need. मुझे ऑलरेडी बहुत बुशी आईब्राउज है, सो आई डोंट रियली डू अ लॉट टू माई ब्राउज ऑनेस्टली. बस ब्राउ मस्कारा या नॉर्मल मस्कारा में ब्रश कर देती हूँ, एंड आई एम सॉर्टेड, because elsewise I look like Shinchan. So that's the reason why I skip doing a lot to my brows. And there you go, that is how my eyes look. Very simple. उसके बाद I just added a little bit kohl from a Maybelline. It's a smoky tattoo liner. I love this one. And सिर्फ outer edge पर मैं लगाती हूँ. मेरी आंखों में मैं अंदर तक पूरे वाटर लाइन में नहीं लगाती हूँ, एल्सवाइज मेरी आईज बहुत छोटी दिखती है. सो यू कैन अप्लाई काजल अकॉर्डिंग टू योर आई शेप, एंड देयर यू गो, दैट इज़ द फिनिश्ड आई लुक. वेरी सिंपल, एंड आई पर्सनली लव्ड इट. वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एज वेल. इसमें से कुछ भी स्प्रेड नहीं होगा या बज नहीं होगा ओवर टाइम. एंड देन माई फेवरेट लिप कॉम्बो इज़ दिस वन, मार्स एज ऑफ डिज़ायर लिप लाइनर. I applied it on my lips. सारे shades वगैरह जो है ना, if I just miss out on talking it about here in the voiceover, मैं नीचे ना description में सारे links दे दूँगी. You can check it out from there. So I just applied this brown lip liner, and then my favorite lipstick from My Hues, it is Ranisa. Oh my god, a beautiful mauve color matte lipstick है, very comfortable, very long lasting, non-sticky, and a perfect formula. Plus the shade is just so good for dusky beauties out there. You should definitely try it out. And that is the final lip combo. I truly loved how this one looks on my lips. Like, so good. Literally so good. You should definitely check it out. Actually, My Hues के lipstick का formulas I have been loving so much. इतने ज़्यादा long lasting है, and you should definitely try it. Like, मेरा suggestion ले लो and try it for yourself. एंड में मैंने सब कुछ फिक्स कर दिया with the Mars Wonder Fixer. एक क्विक फिक्स लाइक स्प्रे कर दिया and let it dry down, and बस अपने earrings and बिंदी लगा के I completed the look. So that was the simple festive makeup look. I'm sure आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, and if you did like this tutorial, do not forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to join the Trend fam. And that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video where your skin will look like skin, and let me know if you tried this tutorial as well. We shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.